Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get the cave monkey, which is that guy in the bottom right that is in the ice. I'm going to show you how you can actually take him out and use him as a monkey and defeat the balloons. So you're gonna have to save up for 750 for the mortar monkey. So I don't have that much right now, so I'm just gonna place a monkey and start and wait until I have that much. This shouldn't take a long time. Okay, like more than halfway there, almost there. Okay, we have them out. So what I'm gonna do, you can place it wherever you want, and you set the target on the cave monkey, and you just wait until the ice starts cracking like it is now. I just did the faster reload so it can go faster. But when it's cracked, look, he comes out as a cave monkey. And I am gonna delete that guy so I can show you what he can do. So I think he stuns the balloons. Also, he's hitting them, so it's like, yeah. It doesn't look like it's stunning them for a long time, and I don't think they upgrade by themselves like the heroes. But yeah, anyways, that's how you get the cave monkey. And you can't, oh, by the way, you can't move the cave monkey anywhere. That's where he's gonna be the whole time. And yeah, that's the video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you do, please subscribe and or like the video.